Hello everyone, I am DINA, a teacher trainee of B.Ed second semester from Siliguri B.Ed College and Siliguri Primary Teacher Training College, and my method paper is Life Science, and the topic which I am going to discuss today is blood donation and its importance. But before going on to my topic, I just want to keep some few points on blood, which is blood is a body fluid present in human and other animals. Blood are of different colors, but in human we have red color. It is so because of the presence of hemoglobin. Blood plays an important role in regulating the body system and maintaining homeostasis. Other functions include supplying oxygens and nutrients to the tissues, removing waste, transporting hormones and other signals throughout the body, and regulating body pH and body core temperature. Blood is found in blood vessels. Blood vessels include arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, and veins. Blood is pumped through blood vessels by our heart. And the components of bloods are plasma, red blood cell RBC, white blood cell WBC, and platelets. Plasma constitute about 55% to the whole blood, and RBC, WBC, and platelets constitute about 45% to the whole blood. With this few point about blood, we shall go on to our topic, which is blood donation and its importance. Well, where we are donating blood, or when we ever think of donating blood, we generally ask question to ourselves like, why shall I donate blood? Or will there be any side effect or benefits on my health because of blood donations? Or like, who has the eligibility to donate blood? Is my blood type okay to be donated with the other persons who is in the medical conditions? And so many questions we generally ask to ourselves. Like, first we'll discuss about why we should donate blood, or why shall I donate blood. So blood is to be donated because there is no other substitute of blood, and every 2 seconds someone needs a blood transfusions for some reasons, like the persons on the medical conditions, or for some cancer patients, or even for the children suffering from severe anemia, and for the persons who is suffering because of human and man-made disaster. There is a constant need for a regular blood supply because blood cannot be stored for a longer period of time. Regular blood donations by a sufficient number of healthy persons are needed to ensure that safe blood is available wherever and whenever needed. A decision to donate blood can save a life or even several if our blood is separated into its components, which is plasma, RBC, WBC, and platelets, and which can be used individually for patients with specific conditions. Like plasma helps to boost blood volume and can prevent shock and even help in blood clotting. And WBC, white blood cells, which is important part of our immune system, and as we all know that immune system help our body to fight back with the viruses and germs that invade our body, and even like platelets, which help in blood clotting. If there is no blood clotting, then even when we get injury, there is no blood clotting, so the blood will continues flowing and the persons may get the consequences. And the next questions we ask is what health benefits do I get by donating blood? So the health benefits which we get by donating blood are like, it is said or it is believed that blood donations reduce the risk of heart diseases up to 30%, according to a study led by Dr. David Blair. Donating blood regularly lower iron stores because high body iron are believed to increase the risk of heart attack. It is also believed that donating blood reduces the risk of cancer. By donating blood, the iron stores in the body are maintained at healthy level. A reduction in the iron level in the body is linked with low cancer risk. And the most and the important, or so to say, the most thing which a donor get by donating blood, or the benefits, most important benefits which a person get by donating blood, is that the person will be getting a free health checkup. Like the persons will be getting a free health checkup, health screening plus many blood tests, even his or her blood pressures will be measured, and even in India, before donating a blood, the donor receive a free health checkup of hepatitis B, hepatitis C, HIV/AIDS, and malaria. So these are some of the health benefits which we get by donating blood, or while donating blood. And it's not that everyone can donate blood. For donating blood, we need some eligibility, like the persons willing to donate blood should be at least 17 years of age or above, or the persons, he or she, should be at least 50 kg, and the persons who is donating blood should have a pulse rate of between 50 to 100 without any kind of irregularities. And we generally ask questions also, like while donating blood, when we have from our family members, when someone got sick or when someone is hospitalized and there is a required of blood, and we ask questions like, if I donate blood, how much blood will be taken from my body? All this type of questions we generally asked. So I want to say that human beings, we have around 4.5 to 5.5 liters of blood, depending upon our height and various other factors, and out of which only 350 ml to 450 ml of blood is taken. The withdrawn blood volume is restored within 24 hours, and hemoglobin and cell components are restored in 2 months. So it is safe to donate blood every 3 months. So while donating blood, it's not that someone from our family members got ill and we rushed to the hospital and we said that I want to donate blood. It's not like that, because donating blood have to follow some instructions, or a donor have to follow some instructions before donating blood. Like a person who is willing to donate blood should take some light refreshment like 2 hours before, and even the person who is willing to donate blood should not consume any kind of alcohol. He or she should avoid alcohol for at least 24 hours, and the person who have donated should also avoid any kind of alcoholic consumptions for at least 12 hours following his or her donations. So, and even the persons who have undergone severe medical or major surgery should avoid blood donations for at least 6 months. We all know that blood are of different types. It's not that I can donate blood to every person. If I am healthy, even then I can donate blood to every person. It's nothing like that, because blood are of 4 types, which you all know that, and blood donations should have its matching type. Like there are 4 types of blood, which is A, B, AB, and O. And the persons with blood type A can donate blood to A and AB. And the persons with blood type A can receive blood from A and O. And the person with blood type B can donate blood to B and AB and can receive blood from B and O. And the persons with blood type AB is also called as the universal recipient. It is so because it can receive blood from all the types, which is A, B, AB, and O. But it can donate blood only to its own kind, which is AB. And the persons with blood type O is called as the universal donor, because he or she, the persons with blood type O, can donate blood to all the other 4 blood types, which is A, B, AB and O. And the persons with blood type O can receive blood from its own respective type only, which is O. So these are the types of blood which we have to keep in mind while donating blood, because a type of blood or a blood type can donate blood to only the type which I have mentioned just before. So in the conclusions or in the end of my topic, I just wanna say that donating blood is helpful or has lots of benefits for both the donor as well as for the recipient. So I hope that the notes which I have prepared about blood donations and its importance will be helpful and beneficial in understanding about blood donations. And thank you.